Here I have HUAWEI Ascend G620s, and let me show you how to set up this device. So let me show you how to go through the initializing setup process on the following phone. At the very beginning, let's go through the following welcome panel. Here you've got the full list of available languages that you can use. So in my case, let me use the English from United Kingdom, for example. You can also choose emergency and make some emergency call if you need something. If not, let's go next. Here you can insert the SIM card, but you may also activate your device without the SIM card, so let me do it that way. You may also connect your device to one of the following Wi-Fi. It's not necessary, but I usually recommend having the internet access, so let me connect my device. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see, you may also connect your device to a Google account. It's not necessary, but Google account enables you some interesting services. So let me tap yes. Let's enter the email. Now it's time to enter the password. Let me do it. Alright, you can tap next right here, tap OK to the terms of service. The device is signing in. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Here you've got some Google services that you can enable. For example, you can back up your data to Google account, you can let apps determine your location, improve location accuracy. Let me leave all of these default settings as simple as that. Let me skip setting up the payment. Here I've got some belongs information. Let me leave it. Tap finish, and that's it. Now you can use your device. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.